How to knit the right lifted purl increase. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you a right slanting lifted purl increase. This lifted increase for the wrong side is sometimes also called PRL, purl right loop, or purled right lifted increase, PRLI. All these terms mean exactly the same, and here is how to knit it. To knit the right lifted purl increase, lift the right loop of the stitch one row below the first stitch on the left needle back on the needle. And then bring the yarn to the front and purl that extra loop through the back loop. Let's do it one more time. So lift the loop one row below back to your knitting needle, bring the yarn to the front and purl it through the back loop. One more time. Lift and purl through back loop. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. As you can see, I am purling the stitches in between, but that purl stitch is not part of the right lifted purl increase. It's just lifting and purling through the back loop. Now the increase is finished and then you can purl the next stitch, but that's not part of the increase. On the right side, this right lifted purl increase will appear exactly like KLL, knit left loop. It forms a very neat increase line and can be quite invisible if you space it out across enough rows. Again, here is the way it looks on the wrong side. Anyway, that's how to knit a right slanting lifted purl increase. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.